speaking with Chris Perry, who just made the Junior World Team. Chris, tell me about the thoughts about how your match went this evening. You only had one.
Yeah, I started out pretty good. I came out wrestling, right off the bat, and which is what I planned on doing. And I should have kept it up to the second period, but I did, or I didn't, and it went to the ball grab, and he got the lock and he scored, and then I knew I had to come out hot in the third to win. I knew I couldn't stand around and go for a grab and a bag to win, to win the first match. And so I came out and I knew I had to get to his legs, and I got to his legs, and then from there he got hurt, and I felt like I had something locked up, but if he got hurt, he got hurt.
Now your weight class was very loaded in this tournament. Only one person had a shot at you because you won the Fila Juniors. How do you feel you competed against this level of competition, both at the Fila Junior Nationals and now at the team trials?
Good. I mean, it makes me better. It's something I've been waiting for since I was in high school to get to wrestle these guys. I've grown up watching them, and I knew I could beat anybody if I just went out and wrestled. And I don't think of who's an All-American, who's a national champ. I just go wrestle and have fun, and I just do what coaches tell me, and work hard every day and try to get better.
Tell me your thoughts about a world championship opportunity. Obviously, a lot of your family have been to world championships at different levels. You're going to have an opportunity to represent our country this summer at the Junior Worlds.
I'm extremely excited about it. It's something I've always dreamed about. I almost done it. My brother would have made it, or he actually made the team that year, but they didn't have it. And something I want to win a world title for my country, and it's a dream come true to go. And I want to win it and keep continuing winning world titles and national titles and doing whatever it takes for our country.
You feel as someone that's just finishing high school that you're going to face some older wrestlers overseas? Does it matter to you?
No, I have all the kinds of talent in the room. I have everybody I think that are just as good as 20-year-old kids around the world. I got Chris Pendleton and all those guys who've helped me train. I couldn't thank him enough, especially Chris. He trains with me almost every day, and Tyrone Lewis, a big help, and Coach Smith and Guerrero and Daniel. And I just have so many opportunities and training partners at Oklahoma State. It's awesome.
Well, congratulations. Great job.
Thank you.